Today, we celebrate peace and kindness by introducing themes such as friendship, empathy, and unity.
For me, this week is a time when we can just pause, and beyond all the noise and stress, we all just want safety, calm, and understanding.
It's not just about big global issues, but also the small everyday battles inside and outside around us. This week's celebration is about helping students in creating a safe space for everyone. It is a reminder for us that as a 𝗪𝗲𝗰𝗵𝗹𝗶, it is very important to always be kind and understanding about each other.
Lorma Colleges is known as a pioneer in providing well-being opportunities to every 𝗪𝗲𝗰𝗵𝗹𝗶. And through the celebration of this week, we were able to provide a variety of such well-being opportunities with the emphasis of the importance of peace, not only inside the Lorma Colleges but also spreading it through the community.